Hi there, welcome to Simple Plant-Based Food. And today we're going to be making my delicious, saucy, and nutritious Pao Tofu. Not only is this dish amazing flavor-wise, but I was so shocked when I found out how calorie-low yet nutrient-dense it really is. I'll be sharing all the nutrition facts throughout the video. The ingredients we will need will be 4 red bell peppers, 5 small zucchinis or 3 to 4 medium ones, half a cup of peanuts, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 red dried chili peppers, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. For the spices, I have 3 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. You will also need 3 packs of extra firm tofu, and I'll be serving this with some plain white rice. So here I have 3 blocks of extra firm tofu, which I'm just going to cover with a kitchen towel and pat dry. Then I'm setting a cast iron and 2 juice jugs just to add some more pressure and to get as much water out as possible. Once pressed, I'm going to tear my tofu into small chunks. I like using tofu in a lot of recipes because it's super high in protein, which is essential for growth and development, like bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. Also, 1 block of tofu has 27% daily value of iron, which is crucial for producing red blood cells, muscle cells, and hormones needed to regulate your body properly. Now add in your cornstarch and toss that till fully coated. Now transfer all of your tofu onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, spread it out evenly, and bake at 420 for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the tofu bakes, we're going to prepare the vegetables. Here I have 4 red bell peppers that I'm going to cut into cubes. I love using red bell peppers because they're super high in vital nutrients like vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of chronic disease and improve skin health, as well as beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, which is crucial for a healthy immune system and has been shown to reduce the risk of cancer. Now I'm going to cut my zucchini into small pieces as well. I'm just going to make them a tiny bit bigger than the red bell pepper pieces. If you're enjoying this recipe, then please make sure to like and subscribe so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. Now let's get back to the recipe. Zucchinis are high in vitamin A and vitamin C, just like red bell peppers. But they're also super high in vitamin B6, which helps maintain a healthy immune system, a healthy nervous system, and is important for overall brain health and brain development. Now that I've finished cutting my vegetables, I've just heated up my pan and I'm going to add a drizzle of oil and just spread that evenly. I'm going to start off by adding in all of my red bell pepper. And I'm going to cook these for a few minutes, stirring occasionally until they soften up. Once the bell pepper is done, you can add in your zucchini and cook that for a few minutes as well. I'm going to stir this occasionally and just keep a close eye on it because I don't like my zucchini too soggy. Now that this is finished, I'm going to add in 4 dried red chili peppers. This is just going to help deepen the flavor of the food. I like to keep them at the bottom of the pan so they can get as much heat as possible. Here I have the spices from earlier and I'm just going to whisk this till fully incorporated. Now add the spices into your soy sauce and whisk this together. Next, add in half a cup of peanuts and mix those in well. I like adding peanuts in this dish because of the flavor, but also peanuts add a significant amount of protein and they're packed with healthy fats, which can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Now add in all of your tofu and you're going to mix this in really well. Once mixed in fully, add in your sauce from earlier. And toss this in till all the pieces are fully coated in the sauce. Now that the dish is ready, you can serve. This recipe makes about 6 servings, and I'm going to serve each with about 1.5 cups of white rice, making each serving 727 calories. That might seem like a lot, but realistically, it's not for how much food you get. Each serving has 26 grams of protein, 130% daily value of vitamin C, 128% daily value of vitamin A, 46% daily value iron, 94% daily value vitamin B6, 105% daily value folate, 67% daily value thiamine, 45% daily value of vitamin K, 72% daily value of potassium, and 68% daily value of manganese. Thank you so much for watching, and follow for more simple plant-based recipes.